Hey, what's up guys? This is Graham with ApexBuilt. Today we're going to be doing an install video tutorial of our brand new re-released titanium front mount intakes on Chris's Frozen Bronze M5.
Taking everything out of the box, you'll find your titanium intakes, air filters, filter adapter couplers, throttle body to intake couplers, aluminum filter adapters, 8 hose clamps, 4 MAF sensor screws, Allen key, and a 1/4 inch drill bit. Start by removing the factory intakes, then remove and set aside the 4 bolts holding in your hood latches on both sides of the vehicle. Next, remove the front kidney grills and OEM intake channels. Once the factory intake snorkels are removed, you can now install your filter adapter couplers. Start inside the engine bay and reach through the front grills to pull the angled end of the couplers out towards the front of the car. No trimming is necessary, but this step does require a bit of force. Don't worry, you won't break anything. Once the filter adapter couplers are in place, use the supplied 1/4 inch drill bit to widen the holes in your OEM MAF sensors. Make sure the drill bit is vertical with the sensors so that way you don't take off more plastic than what is needed. Reinstall your mass airflow sensors to the titanium intakes and then use the included Allen key to tighten the new MAF sensor screws. With the OEM intake ducts removed, start by inserting the bottom end of each intake into their silicone adapter couplers. Take the 45-degree throttle body couplers and install it to the titanium intake first. Then, adjust the angles as needed to affix it to the throttle body side. Once all of the silicone couplers are in place, install and tighten 6 of the 8 included hose clamps, and make sure your mass airflow sensors are properly connected. Insert the aluminum air filter adapters into both air filters, then fully tighten the hose clamps. Install your air filters and tighten the remaining 2 hose clamps to the installed aluminum filter adapters. Double check to ensure all clamps and connections are tight and secure, then reinstall the front kidney grills. Realign and tighten the 4 Torx screws holding each hood latch on both sides of the car. This concludes today's install tutorial. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our website and Instagram for future updates. Also wanted to give a shout out to Level 30 Automotive for letting us use their shop to film this video.